Hey there, it's Dave, and I'm excited to share that we just launched our new project team feature, which gives you a single centralized view to see everyone working on your project, your internal team members like your project manager or bookkeeper, and your external companies like contractors, lenders, and insurance companies. So that way you always know exactly who is involved on each project. So let's show you how it works. To get started, open any project and go to the project overview page and click the new Project Team tab at the top of the page. Once you're on the Project Team page, you'll notice there are two distinct sections. The first section is the users on the project team. These are your internal team members who have software access to FlipperForce and are actively managing the project. These are people like your acquisitions lead, they're your project managers, or your bookkeepers. The second section is the companies on the project team. These are the external companies like contractors, vendors, lenders, and insurance companies that are involved on the project. But unlike users, companies don't have software access. They're simply tracked here so that way your team always has their contact details, their tax status, insurance status in one place. Together, these two sections, they give you a complete picture of everyone involved in the project, both inside and outside your organization. Let's start with users on the project team. FlipperForce, it intelligently adds users to the project team automatically based upon their software activity. The moment someone performs a meaningful action on the project, like creating an expense, getting assigned to a task, posting a project update, or running a deal analysis, they're going to automatically be added to the project team. So the system is going to be quietly building your team in the background as real work gets done in the software platform. Now, if you want to just manually add someone to the project team, it's simple. Just click the checkbox next to their name, and then you'll see that they're going to be moved to the project team. Now, not everyone on this page is on the project team. Below the active project team, you're going to see a separate list of users who have access to the project through their workspace permissions, but they may not be actively working on the project itself. They're shown here just for reference so that way you can always know who can see the project versus who is actually running the project. You can also optionally assign a project team role here to any team member, things like project manager, acquisition lead, or bookkeeper, to make responsibilities clear for everyone who's on your project and in your workspace. Now let's look at companies on your project team. Just like users, companies are intelligently added to the project automatically. The moment a company is assigned to a scheduled task or an expense in the expense tracker, FlipperForce adds them to your project team. So as your team logs work and expenses, the company list will build itself in the background without you manually needing to add these companies to the list yourself. Each company entry here, it shows everything you need in one place, the company's contact details, their tax and insurance status, so that way you can make sure that you have all the compliance documentation you need from your contractors before they start work. If you want to add companies manually here, you can click the Edit Project Team button in the upper right-hand corner of the company section. That opens a bulk assignment modal where you can quickly select and assign multiple companies to the project at once, which is a great way for you to get your contractor list set up at the start of a new project before any expenses or tasks have been created. So the new project team feature, it gives you a clear, automatically maintained picture of everyone that's involved on each project, your internal team members, and your external companies without requiring you to set it up yourself. So go check it out. We've already pre-populated your project team based upon previous activity in the platform, so your internal team and company should already be there waiting for you. As always, if you have any feedback or anything like that, let us know.